Welcome back. Hedgie attack. Yeah, right when stuff's getting choppy, my goodness. Talk Wizard says other live streams cut out too. Very suspicious. Making things slightly uncomfortable, we gotta keep our cool. Crazy day, crazy week. Right before SHIBA. Well, here's the bear charts. So S&P, that green is just this. That green same as that on the bear charts. Sean says, who's buying Apple here? Not me. I want to get the fuck out of it. I'm glad I took some profits earlier. I want to give it like another hour or 30 minutes. Let's get things back on track. Here's the resistance. Yeah, same boy June. Alright, Apple Bears, we're just waiting to see if we're gonna get one drop down here and then pull in profits. In the next like 30 minutes, hour. We don't have all day. Like we do, but I'll see if push print big. It didn't. Alright. This area is uncomfortable because it's starting to get going. is starting to get going. We can get the real hammer now. Oh, but what about dollar? It's like so choppy. It's still going up. How could they not drop with this? I was trying to hit over 113. I think we're gonna get it. It's been way too long build-up pushes. Gets the tension building. Pirates on the edge of their seats. This is what's been guiding us the whole way. Like every time it's gone up, it's been dropping. Gotta expect it to drop. This goes up 113. We should be able to hit some more red candles. S&P should go red here. But it's not, it's lingering still. As expected to still play out with that next move. Keep an eye on the bear charts. Song requests. American cloud targets, we're shooting for $1. Today people are locking in profits, so it's already up enough to be locking in a win. At least somewhat. If we can get all the Apple bears some profits on that, it's gonna be a perfect day. Like lots of wins everywhere. Lots of wins in American Cloud. Oh, bears to get what they deserve there. You guys deserve a win going bearish right now. Dollar craziness. Let's make it uncomfortable. How long is it now? 150? What's the hold up? That news coming up? Like, are we gonna hit huge fucking candles right on the news event again? The very last couple hours? That's in an hour from now. In an hour when there's some federal news, like, are they gonna start blowing up? I was expecting dropping into that, and it has been. This isn't as red as it could be. From here, 2% down, 2.5%. This should be getting like a 3%, 3.5% for a day. I can't tell if it's the temperature making me uneasy or if it's the build up. the temperature of the market is icy cold. Yeah. Jay Hot missed so much the past couple of weeks. Wish you well, dude. Following a lot. What's the overall consensus on crypto Dash in particular? Drop and wait or hold? Both. American Club pushing up. Get our alert soon. That's already profits though. There's no limit. We could get trippy digis on today. It goes 100% one day. Yeah, you can feel comfortable with Dash down here, holding. If you're already in it, it's undervalued. It's a great area. However, still risk a flash crash. Kinda like Mullen just did. So you wouldn't want to go all in at those levels. That's what makes the accumulation is like, it's a great entry now. By the end of the year, we could still see it down at like 30 bucks at some point. Get another entry. So if you're keeping your cost average like down in this area, that's what it's about. Rather than being up at hundreds of dollars, where it was last year, $400 last year on Dash, at 40 right now. That's pretty extreme already. So just getting to the limit. Be ready for crypto flash crash though, like it's worth holding some fire, planning for an entry on crypto like by the end of the year. We see it down there, like it's gonna be obvious entries. Everything's right on the line. I don't know. What's gonna happen next? Would it be so perfect there? If it doesn't break down from here, then I'm gonna be wondering. Then I'm gonna start to think it's not gonna drop by the end of the day, like in time to hit targets. If we start dropping hard now, that would be perfect. It's failing to get up there. I'm gonna start to wonder if it's lingering longer because it's like that news is coming up and some big crazy candle gonna hit right off the news perhaps. This is normal right now, like breakdown retests. I got breakout retests. Normal, but it should keep breaking down from here now that it's started to go lower than that red box. Should keep going. Alright, this is it. More sevens in the chat. I don't think we can give it any more time for the day. Like, it is either break down off these trend lines, dollar keep going right now, hit 113, or what the fuck? It's getting toward the end of the day already. We just gotta assume this is gonna go flat or something, or wait for the announcement. They have every reason to break down from there. Started from here, testing it, get rejected, so it should drop here right now. We want to see it go even lower, trigger that alert. It's kind of like that end of day drop yesterday, that like power hour spike. The indicators are still stable, so it's kind of mixed of like it's still very bearish, but doesn't really have to right now. That's what's tricky about markets lately. It's like just because something should happen doesn't mean it will. Like, what if it just around right there all day, and then Monday so let's kinda leave it up to this move here. If we see it breaking down real soon right here, that'll be our sign. If it stays up for the next 30 minutes, then I don't know. It's too up in the air on the news. Something big might pop off with the announcements in an hour from now, but that's toward the very end of the day. Yeah, something's gonna happen at 50 minutes of that news, but like the chart is ready now. Something big can happen going into that too, right before.
Update, took half of what I had left off the table. I locked in a lot of profit today and still have big positions on Tesla, Amazon and Apple puts. We'll ride the rest until at least Monday. My week is done, decision-wise.
Okay, cool.
Much love, Captain and Crew 777.
Nice job, man. Yeah, let's talk about those specific positions over the weekend. Strategize more. Because those longer term ones, like, you have more time, so you don't have to decide right now. Minutes green. Yeah, I think that's part of why it's lingering too. Is people are nervous about it, so they're pulling out both ways. It's like low volume. We need a decisive move. Dollar might make that decision though. Like, what about this? It's still running up to 113. Hasn't even hit 113 yet today. So like, that's gonna be a new level on it. That's gonna trigger some psychology. You think dollar 113 is gonna cause panic? You'd be like, oh shit, it's still going. Be ready, day traders, at this point to have to wait for that news, but like, let's see if we get this move now with dollar 113. if it gets really wild, like, so we can spike way down right now, going into it, and then when they come on TV, it actually bounced. Or the other way around, that's why I want to see this move now. It can go up and spike down when it comes on TV. Tries to go up now and boom. An hour from now, so the timing on it's like, I don't like how long it's taking building up to that. There's not gonna be time to make a decision when it's happening. Basically, you have to decide now. The pressure, the build-up. Gregory goes, what can Papa Jerome possibly say to save the market today? Yeah. Nothing really. It's just that things are already getting overextended. Like, we've dropped a lot from back here already. So on that kind of a drop, like, it would be normal for it to bounce back up before it drops further. But it's failing to do that throughout the day. So like, that would be normal. It's not bounced like that, it's not done that. It's like, would it here? Is it gonna here? Or is it just gonna keep dropping all day? Because as of now, like, it's been dropping throughout the day, all day. As the inverse charts have been climbing all day. But there's still like one big move about to hit either way, up or down. Yeah, it might depend on that fucking news coming up. It just makes it kind of awkward. So I might start going fucking crazy the last 2 hours of the day. All day build up for the last 2 hours. The inverse one might be the quickest to show it here. So I might show it first. Moving pretty fast. Some people are long on this riding calls up and they're hoping to just hit a big candle on it for the next hour or two to be able to get out of it with huge profits. Otherwise, it's like leading into next week. But all day I've been saying like, I don't like how long it's taking. That next move's kind of delayed. I'm not sure what to make of that exactly. It's definitely like with the news coming up. Is it gonna be a huge move right on that news? Or are we pretty much like done with that move for the day? It's just not gonna go that much anymore till next week. slowly go up. Come smacking down next week too. Time's ticking, it's going into the news. Everything kind of sitting at resistance. It is Bitcoin. American Cloud at that resistance, so not able to get up in it. Like, there's selling pressure coming through still. Slow motion. We're in slow motion at the moment, apparently. Nothing's changing much. That's kind of a problem. That's so suspicious. This bounce still doesn't mean anything. There's definitely wiggle room. There was a spot we were fucking around with earlier. That 360, 80 area. As long as it stays under there. Are you guys feeling as suspicious as I am about these moves? About that green area? Exactly like last time. It was like power hour yesterday. Started going green, but dollar was pumping, and it's like, feels like it can drop. It did the very end of the day, so I hope it's not the very end of the day. Like, we want to get that drop from here before the end of the day, though. It's looking topped out. This has to be it, or else it's not. If this ain't it, it's gonna take all fucking new. I see a giant red candle. If we got just one red candle, drop it right back down there. And we'll be all set. Wipe out that bounce. suck that resistance. Break a coconut trend line even. Those short-term coconut lines like this. This is good. This is a good start. We gotta get that lower point right there. And then it can spike way down. Otherwise, it's waiting for the news. Get it right here, right now. Bear chart's trying to bounce that uptrend action. Getting spicy. Remember the coin flip. Yo. All hands on deck. Red alert. So good start on the 1 minute chart. Those are quick moving candles. Sorry, 5 minute candle coming in. Dollar's going for it. I would need some alerts. Alerts triggering on the charts. Hit all those alerts at the same time together. Yeah, David, for sure. SPY puts earlier today with that one. Yeah, that's why I almost shifted to it, but I still have a bit right on Apple and I'm ready to cut it. I'm not giving it any more time. It was just better drop or else I'm pulling out of my last Apple push. The SPY is really going for it. I think that's the one I'm playing next. Fuck Apple. It moves too slow. 30 minutes on that new stuff, so we might get a big chop going right into it. Yeah, it's too strong. Apple's too strong. That's why we want to hit this and people can get out profits, complete the trade, move on. Check the candle though, coming in. Right off the resistance. It's going with S&P. Like it's working. It's just very slow moving on that one. Dollars full send. I don't think we gotta wait till the news, yo. It's speeding up. That was a lot of build up and I was going quick. It took like way longer climbing up there than it did dropping down there. I was wiping that out quick. Oh, bear chart sending. Bear chart blast off. This might be fucking clutch, guys. We might pull a clutch finish. Ready for the alerts? That's looking strong. We're continuing so far. Things continuing what they've been doing. If they're red, they're going red. If they're inverse, they're going up. I'm gonna need more coffee. Been down in the coffee. So these candles are matching. As dollars starting to clear this level, S&P Apple breaking down those levels, they look pretty identical. This looks like Apple right here at 150, essentially fucking around. Get it here, they'll drop lower. It's kinda like now or never. And now we're next week. That was a big red candle, it wiped out all of this. An hour and a half of green right there just got wiped out in 3 minutes. Oh, let's fucking go. Let's get this end that day drop. Payout for the bears. Let's get that. Let's profit for the bears. Hey, thanks so much for easy, bro. Good to see you back in the chat. Ooh, yeah, savage. What the fuck? Very nice. Back in business. Made $2,000 on SPY day trade. Oh yeah. See, that's something we all gotta go for next time. instead of anyone playing Apple. It's just too slow moving.
777 hope everyone is crushing it. I am killing my day trade today up 1,760 on SPY and bailout on Apple with only $10.
Hey, Sudan, congratulations. It's so cool to see all the wins today. Like how the fuck our pirates crushing it during this market right now. Y'all are savage. Well, when I watched this last year, haven't you guys? I don't think I would have played the other side like that last year. Oh, speed bumps. Not another one. There's gonna be a second that dude walks on the TV as well. I kind of suspected that was the risk of it today. It's like pretty decent downside, but it's not really continued. The risk was it was kind of flat, kind of has been that much more time. Still looking like breakout on bear charts and dollar though. This looks like real breakout action going on. So it's possible this is it right now. Anyone who's even still in it in trades for end of day. If you're trying to get out for next week, that's the thing. It's like next week might be totally different. So if we can get out of our trades today, everyone, on your shorter term ones. I don't think the indicators even got help with this morning. Just too much of the real world reliant on us. The emotions. Three times at the low. Yeah, we're pretty much going to last minute now. The goal is to be able to hit further down earlier in the day. It took all day. We still might hit lower. Still heading that way. But at some point, we're gonna run out of time. And the market closes. Yeah, let's see what happens to turn of the hour, right? At least, like, we've given it that long. I'll see if dollar spikes up like crazy when they go on TV. But then getting spiked back down after, so we gotta be ready for all that. Careful with that. I wanna make coffee first. Let's take our break now. Shit's getting spicy. Let's take a coffee break before that happens, so we can even get the move going a few minutes before. Alright, cool. Good job, everyone. Get it back. GovX 25% bounce. Holy shit. GovX short squeeze. The lows of that one. Meanwhile. Oh yeah, dollar's about to hit 113. Holy shit! Wait, whoa, whoa. Don't leave yet, get out of the shower. Come back. Pirates. What the fuck? There goes that dollar. $113. Oh shit. This is the move. What's happening? How are they gonna not break down now? How they're gonna get hammered, right? Like, what the fuck? Surely Apple can't stay at 150 now. Fuck you, Apple. Never again. I'll take my profits and run. Never touch that shit ever again. Because that 150 area sucked. Go, dollar, go, finish them off. It's going on. I was only just starting to hit the charts, like we just saw that. People don't even know it yet. Oh shit. Let's get the panic selling. Let's get Let's get those Moon Boys emotions kicking in. They're probably freaking out now, going, holy shit, what's that? They're going, why is S&P still dropping? I thought it was gonna bounce. They don't even know the dollar. Oh, they're done. Oh, yo. Clutch. Let's fucking go. No way. That was so perfect. Get back on. Like, people aren't even gonna notice right away. Let's get those alerts. They're just starting to feel the burn. Inverse chart sending two. We got blast off on that. Just cleared the level. Consolidating there all day. Looks legit. We got the signal. We need the follow through. We need the smash. So far so good. That was crazy. I like the turning point up here too. That almost like showed us dollar ahead of time. Way up there, yeah. Like what? Not how could it? Surely that's gonna bring some selling pressure with. Let's see if we stay up at 113. If it just stays up here. Because it's like, how could the dollar move bigger than the S&P. Surely that'll drop down to that new low with that move. Like dollar's already straight up beyond that point. Let's get it. Trust the charts, trust the dollar. Probably just kicking in now. It's just starting to kick in more. But damn, what timing for those announcements coming? It was getting crazy. Okay, I better use this time to make the coffee before all those alerts do trigger off, honestly. Alright, looks like, can I even walk away right now is the question. It's not solving. I'm just starting to go more red. Alright, if I hear the alerts, I'll come back. Let's take our smoke break before the TV event. 15 minutes. I mean, that's a strong fucking signal. Kind of feeling like it hasn't kicked in yet. It's like too fresh, it just happened. It's gonna take a few minutes. Testing $113, crazy. Everything on the edge of potential breakout, breakdown action. Fasten your seatbelt. It's time. Oh man, pressure building to this news right now. It's always out of control. I want to hear some alerts going off. Alright, that's the hour. Nothing on the second. Nothing yet. Apple's getting down there. It's so close. Let's get those alerts. If stuff doesn't start going now, what the fuck? Take till next week? Now or next week? Okay, Powell's speaking now. Ocean Goose. Guys on TV. This is what all day's been leading to. It's gonna be. Looking still pretty bearish, pretty red. Dollar's still up over 113. Is this it? Here's the break, the hammer we've been waiting for. Finish the week right as fuck. Oh, we're spiking down Apple. Hitting the lowest point yet. It's not going up. Dollar's going up. Right away! There we fucking go! Smackdown! It's dropping. How low we gonna go? How big of a reaction? Are bulls' hopes getting crushed right now? They're hoping for an opposite reaction. We're still battling out. Your chart. It's not going another way. Looks like we're battling. Oh, big spikes, Apple. Okay, so, now it's testing another way. Getting volatile. Some big's cooking up. It's moving fast. Staying down. Dollar staying up. Still cruising dollar. How long is he on TV for? Oh, why we're still battling? Let's get a conclusion. In 5 minutes. Let's hope it's not a fucking end of day drop like a last minute before there's any time to make a move. That should happen only yesterday. They're still flat. Oh. Choppy but flat. These spikes are getting. Quite the battle. Right, Apple's fucking with our head. It is. It hit that low, it's still bearish, still under 150. Like, what the fuck? How could it be there all day? I hope it's not a last minute drop, like before we can take profit. Cause shit, what if we go flat and then next week's the big move? That would be like, okay, but you would think we're gonna finish the day further down than we started on all these. spike up and have like a 0% day, like with the dollar going crazy. Should be getting that hammer still. We're testing 113 still again. It's going both ways, or it just might fucking go flat then. It's moving pretty quick, like, but time keeps ticking. It's like there's hardly time to make any moves. And that's kind of the problem with it. It's like, what do you do now? By the time the move happens, it's too late. Everyone's locked in their trades already. So it might get crazy. It would be kind of surprising if it stays flat. Finishes down here. Like, let's not finish the day at 150 Apple. I'd rather have it go up and finish with a spike at least. How could it finish the day right there? That's why I was fucking with our heads. Oh, we can still get this drop in a minute. It's just testing both ways, like spiking all around. Test the low again. What happens now? What's it doing now? Just going to the very end of the day. So you're gonna see how if it finishes down there at the very end, like next week, be red. So it's leading to. So we're expecting, like, okay, well, I mean, it did what we expected. Finished really low, but not quite the whole way. I know, yeah, I still got a bit in those Apple puts. We have like 50 minutes for that. I'm thinking about pulling my last profits out of that. So it's like I'm making that decision too right now. I'm letting it go. Like, I want to see what kind of fucking move we get here. After all that, we might get a huge smackdown still. This could be clutch. We might get some clutch here. Look at dollar going for it. Because if it's gonna finish the day red as fuck, well, it might as well start now. Like, going from now into the end of the day. But basically an hour just to press buttons on the contracts before they're poof. We can't really afford another bounce. With the time, we gotta go straight down right now to cash out on bears for puts. And that might happen because there's like big players fucking around with it, trying to bring it down. I'm sure there's a lot of institutions who are bearish shorting it. All this stuff coming back down. Let's get that conclusion, guys. S&Ps, that's the lowest point of the day right there. We already just wiped out all that coconut action. Here we fucking go. Look at this. Here comes the rug pull. Oh shit. Clutch finish. There's a work right there. Let's crack that low, drop it even lower, then it can fucking bounce in the day. Oh, the dollar's so tight right there too. Keep it going, dollar. It's like a mini wedge. Oh shit! Oh shit! Let's fucking go! That's what I'm talking about. The SmackDown. Lowest point on Apple. Progress. Progress. My last profits didn't go to zero. Yeah. Let's keep it going. Pull out some more. Set that target. Yeah, keep the guy on TV. Tell him to keep talking. Keep that fucker on TV. $1.04 is dropping. $1.13 strong. Going for an end of day send. See, it kicked in that last move. It looked like it was delayed, but it worked. Oh, let's run it up again on dollar and we can expect another drop. It keeps going right now. We expect another drop. Puts are printing. Oh shit. Let's fucking go. This is gonna be the perfect conclusion. Apple bears get the profits on this. How could it not keep going now? That's the fucking move right there. Clearing down, major breakdown. Here we go. Under 148. Under the low. Yeah, they're not really moving yet, but the 146, no, the 148s are. 148s just fucking doubled on that move. They went from 10 cents to 19 cents on that one move. So the Apple puts already just doubled right there. Let's get one more drop. Like some of them did, I think. That's cutting it close for lower targets. That's why we need it now, so we can get out of them before they expire. If anyone's in lower, time's a factor. So good thing that's bringing it down right now. Is going straight down all day. Build up for that shit. I'm getting ready to press those buttons myself. And then next week, no one trade Apple. Screw that. Never again. Alright, see, even at 149, that's what's so shitty about. It's like stopping at 149, because of course it's just round number. And it'll stop at 148 and 140. It's like, just fucking get it over. Oh, S&P hitting the... Okay, yeah. That's even lower. This is the lowest it's been right now, S&P. So far so good. If we can stay under there. No bounce. Why would it bounce after all that bounce we just had all afternoon? The bulls just got fucked. Coconuts just got cracked. So why would it change now after all that buildup? Surely it's gonna keep going for a bit. Surely it'll last another 30 minutes. That was only like 10 minutes. These are 3-minute candles still red as fuck. Like 5 minute, 15. Let's see, the indicators must be turning. I think we're good for at least like 30 more minutes. Nah, that couldn't have been it. Was that it? Dollar's still pimping? Nah, dollar's going. Let's see dollar bumps. What if we clear this on dollar right there? Yeah. Meanwhile, GovX mulling American Cloud. The 10-20%. Apple's eating itself at 149. A self-devour. The worms are getting it. It's not bouncing. It's not even hardly holding. I don't know why it's stopping there, but let's keep it going. We don't have time for bounce up to 150. Why would it do that after it did that all goddamn day? Let's crush it. This is it. Still going. It's still going. Moving fast enough to go on the 1 minute chart. It's selling off still down there. So let us see it. We just see like one more mega candle down. Boom. I hope not the end of day though. Like, why are we at the very end of day? Let's get it now. Dollar going for it. Okay. Dollar going for it. S&P dropping with it. Oh, we're still going. Under 149. What are they? What a week. Go, dollar, go. What a battle rap. That's it. There's not much time to make the move. For end of day contract. I'm gonna have to pull out soon. It was the right move. All you took profits earlier, by the way. Great job. This is too sketchy. I was cutting it too close. No! Stop that, SCP! Oh, spiking up. That makes me want to pull out. Come on, keep it going. I might give it a couple more. Yeah, avoid Juno, good idea. He's thinking of getting out right now. I think that's what's happening. Bears are getting out. They're feeling sketchy. I have too. I'm ready to pull out the last bit there before it were to get burned, but like they're holding up. They're not really going down. The profit on those ones anyway. But yeah, like, well, it's not worth the risk. I'll tell you that right now. It's not worth the fucking risk. Even with like $100, it's not worth it. They're probably gonna get burned. Pull out. Alright, I pulled a bunch out. Fuck that. I'm holding a couple. Yikes. That's getting too sketch. Careful, guys. It's total dice roll. I'm not putting that much on it. Fuck that. Too close to the end of the day. I'm not comfortable with that anymore. Let's see. Alright. Log in somewhere. That feels good. Protect the booty. Yeah, fuck that bounce. It's probably still gonna hit, but like I wasn't comfortable with that much on it. I still had like a few hundred in that. I'm like, nah, I don't want to burn a few $100 right now. Cut it back. I'm still gonna keep a little bit. I'm gonna keep a tiny bit right now, but not that much. I'll take another shot at it next week. Yeah, the inverse chart's still going. It's very true. They're probably still gonna like crack down right now, but damn, it's getting too close to the end of the day on that. Falling in love with the drum. Falling in love. Oh, it was fun. Yeah, fuck that. It's holding out too much. I don't like that. Pull out! You can't run for feeling the heat. It's not worth it. For like the sketchy factor, for the risk factor is way too crazy right now. I might just fuck around till the very end of the day. So yeah, I'd say careful on that, and let's plan the next one, or better, strategizing the next one now. Even though it should keep going, it's just too close to the end of the day for good traders. Or it's a total dice roll now. Like beyond dice roll. Where it's not even worth. So it's more even for next week at this point. Like I'm already strategizing what's next. Like cool it for the day. Like the day is essentially over with that. We can't count on anything else because that bounce right there just kind of slowed it down even longer. So at that point, that could slow things down to the very end of the day, possibly. And it fucks around very end of the day, and then closes red like that, but the contracts would already be burned by then. It might even hit fucking 150 again, guys. So yeah, that's no good right now. That's beyond reasonable. Evil Toro goes, can I buy Apple calls now? No, it's probably still gonna get hammered, but like maybe not right now. That's what the problem is. It might not get smashed until the end of the day. We're not hitting alerts, like where the alerts time's ticking. Stuff's still going, but it's looking like for next week. I'm already thinking like, what can we get for next week? Not Apple, fuck that. See, the problem with Apple now is like, okay, even if it drops, how low is it gonna go on this one? It lingers. No time on those contracts. Maybe leading to next week. S&P's still bearish as fuck. I think we're still gonna get a drop in the day here or right now, but like what's the trade after that? We're still breaking down, so end of day drop. There's got spicy is still going. Dollars pumping. What's the trade next week? Oh, we're gonna have to plan after the bell. It's looking like we're gonna close super red, start red next week. Are we gonna balance next week? Whoa, huge dollar candle. Oh, what are you guys doing for next week? Are people thinking, yeah, Apple can still break here, I just don't know how low, guys. Those dice rolls way down there might not hit. Whoa. I'm glad I backed off though. I'm glad I reduced my risk on that shit. That was good. Okay. Let's see if we get these alerts right here. This dollar pimp. Very end of day drop. This is a crazy day. Bear chart still going at it, as you could tell. Our SPY gonna break down more right here. It seems like it might be too late getting SPY puts for next week. Oh, Apple. I still have a bit on it. I still have some in it though in it, but I don't know what we're gonna get, guys. We all are comfortable. We just wiped out that bounce, still going. There's no time on contracts though. Power are coming up too. Whatever that's gonna do, I have no idea. James says, fuck the Dixie. It's just it. And then they drop. We're already breaking down and it's looking bearish as fuck. But like too crazy with day trading. We all got out okay one way or another. So yeah, they're wacky. Why do you want to get burned? We'll find a safer, better play next week. Or after hours. Like, we'll look after hours. Yeah, I'm just serving done trading today. Yeah, that's what it is. Like, no more entries. It's not good to be entering puts. You're sketchy to be entering caught. There's more getting out of trades. Trying to get out for the next one. Bro, we might still hit one more candle here. One more drop on these. For people who are trying to cash out in the day. Like those longer term puts and stuff. I don't know. It's close to, I guess, so bearish. We can still keep going in it. Keep running it down to the very end. Gonna get some weird coconut bounce power hour. Corey says, I love the sound of Denwo's alarm triggering, and your reaction is great. He's in podcast mode and scrambles back to his computer quick. I was getting wacky on Apple. Uncomfortable. No more. Like, that was supposed to happen earlier today. I wanted to protect my booty on that. I'm glad I pulled out, even if it would have hit. Like, I don't know how low it's gonna get. Even if it goes down here more, like, maybe not even that much. Whoa, just Revan, thanks so much, brother. Yeah, exactly.
Lock in your shorts.
Heck yeah, bro. Great job today. All the hype. Just keeping me going. I'm still feeling the pressure. So adrenaline. Just crazy moves. Koindo Lacho. The voice chat party is gonna be great this weekend. Bear chart's still pimping. Holy shit. SQQQ, full blast. This last hour is crazy. All day's been, really all week's been leading to an end of day drop right now. Some kind of turnaround next week for the new month coming up, Halloween, October. It looks like they're gonna keep it going for now. How much? Okay, Votor. Hope you have a nice weekend, dude. So it looks like I'm done for today. Shaking my head. Gonna go start drinking. LOL. Later, y'all. Yeah, the coconuts got smashed, huh? Oh, no offense, Votor. It's just in general, like the bullish trades got obliterated there. Anyone who tried to buy the dip on S&P, like, no, it's going lower next week. It's just, how's it gonna finish right now? Is it gonna finish super low going right into next week, or what? It's just getting lower, like that's the lowest point yet, right now. There's sharks at the highest point yet. New hour coming up. Are we slowing down now? Things might be slowing down for the end of day drop. Dollar's not slowing down. Here's 5-minute candle, still red on that. It was so spicy into the very end. I didn't think it was gonna be that close. Well, I kind of did. We were joking about it early in the week. Like, it's gonna come down to the last fucking minute, last day. We'll get back to the other church power hour. It's cooking up. What are those squeezes? We'll check all the squeezes again. All that good stuff. But the S&P is still melting a lot. Oh yeah, Ebola, you like Wish? Some of the pirates pillaging Wish. Long-term hold, obviously. Resistance. I'm gonna be playing it next week soon, like after the bell. I'm already gonna be thinking about what to do next. You only wanna stick around for that. Like browsing around contracts and stuff. About, was there anything to enter now for next week? Probably not. I think there's more wait for this all to play out next week, and then like going into October, we'll have another sick move. Maybe one of the craziest days yet, huh? On the church. I call it build up. Now it's all over the place. Now these huge spikes. Is Skunk Flop, is it worth holding on to the bear charts? It looks like it, yeah. That's what I'm thinking, but just getting... Depends on the time you have on them. Like next week is gonna be sketchy. It's not looking a smart move to enter this for next week. That's what I'm trying to plan for, think of already. But like maybe next week at some point it'll be topped out and we can make a move on it. Still getting red candles very end. Yeah, great chance to be pulling profits out bears. Great job, everyone. I was protecting booty for the next one. How much is it gonna drop by the Monday or end of day? Up in the air, no idea. So like short term's very up in the air. All closed out. Everyone all closed out. Wipe our hands, the coconut juice. I'm completely out of that now for till next time. Our contracts closed 10 minutes. It's over. That was a progress. Things should have dropped more. They probably will the last fucking minute. So it's like still super bearish next week. Just I don't think it's time to enter for next week. That's sketchy as fuck again, because then dollar's getting topped out. What if dollar dips next week? Everything bounces. Still good for the longer term for you guys holding longer bear charts. SQQQ, SPXS. If you have more time, you don't have to make a decision right now. That's what's great about it. Let's not make any decisions right now after all that shit today. But apparently S&P can't even make up his mind until the very last minute. So we're gonna take our last smoke break. See what's up with power hour. If we get that end of day drop or not. Thanks everyone. Yeah, exactly. DJ James is thinking, I'll buy bear charts when they go back down. It was like, next time this is back down at the low area, you get in that, ride it up again. Rather than playing Apple. That's the next move, like we're gonna dive into that. See what we can plan for that. It's not worth taking a shot at this right now for next week. these moves don't look complete. Like S&P dropped down more, everything dropped down more, but it does not look complete. Of like next week, get the bounce. American cloud coming down. Where we go, very end. So choppy, so be right back. Thanks, everyone. Clearly the trend's heading that way. Just a question mark for that. How is it gonna close exactly? How far down are they gonna finish? Is it gonna get that 4% day at the very end? We've been talking about, like, before anyone can make their move, their next move. Looks like we're going to finish that way. No sign of a bounce or anything yet. Oh, Spy getting the fucking hammer. end of day drop. Heads up, it looks like we're getting power hour. This can spill over to next week. We're probably done with the down, not counting on end of day drop at this rate. There's some buying pressure for next week. This coconut bounce can continue if we don't close the day super red down there. This might be a bit of a turning point. After all that drop down the last few days on it, is kind of ready for upside since it didn't break down further. Dollar's looking topped out for now. That 113 area. Cool back off next week. Careful guys, good idea to take some profits on puts. I feel like we're gonna get a coconut bounce on Monday. Dollar might not stay up here. Let's see about the close though. Hold fire. Still very choppy. I'll be back on camera in a couple minutes. And a victory smoke. Wow. Good job everyone withering the storm. Crazy day. Let's see what kind of finish we get here. Power 30 minutes. Power half hour. It's up in the air right now for the opening next week. It's looking bearish as can be here. We're gonna get the last minute drop like we did yesterday, and then leading into red, or we getting a bit of a coconut. I'm suspicious of the other way right now. So be careful there. Probably not a good idea to have risky puts going into next week at the moment. Cause I wouldn't be surprised if we open with a bounce on this next week before going down more. It's had a lot of selling pressure all day. Didn't get too low, but it was way down, and then just like all week combined, that was enough. It's ready for a coconut, I think. The dollar did this thing today, and when we start next week, it'll probably be under 113. That's getting a bit up there. So, depending on this finish, like if it gets an end of day drop the last fucking minute, that's gonna kind of lock in the red opening next week. If it holds here or even starts going up more, then it's pretty clear we're gonna be bouncing on Monday temporarily before like continuing further down. So that would mean like dollars cooling off. Maybe, I mean, what the fuck, 113, right, T-Fuck? That's pretty up there. We're way up. At the moment, like that's a bit too far too fast on dollar, guys, now. That was like the blow off top that we were looking for, and we got it. It's up 1.6% on the day, dollar. Chances are that's gonna have some dippage next week. Like we had our move of the bears. Congratulations, bears, kicking ass on that. And we'll get it again when it's ready. But like that was our chance to take profits today. We were talking about yesterday. We wanted to open red so bears could take profits. We did it. Maybe it's not ready to open straight down on Monday just yet. It's still not the end of month either. Like end of month coming up in a week. So we can finish the month way down there, but maybe not starting the week by the looks of it. It's not ready to get the complete drop just yet. It looks it. So I mean, it was kind of steady there, and so maybe we're a bit too far too down there at the moment. Yeah, like the coconuts they're gonna have a go, like before they get trapped in it again. So they're probably FOMOing in end of day right now on like AMC and all that stuff. $8 on that. Turning up, green. Alright, coconut bounce it is, guys. It has been decided. That's why I was saying be careful next week, like hold fire and lock in profits and shit, cause that is looking a quick turnaround all of a sudden. Just start the week green on this shit before it drops back down later on. Friday FOMO. Power half hour. Stuff's going up. The wind has shifted. Apple's back 150. Oh shit, look at Apple. It's happened, guys. Good thing we were taking profits. I'm gonna get it again when I was right. Like, I was gonna go up, hit resistance again. End of day pumpage. Hold that deck.
Had to come back and check. Green apple.
Oh, nice Evo Toro. Great stuff, man. Yeah, there. Did you legit play it like that? You really did that? Or are you just saying that? Because I want to mention if you did. I figured some of you would be playing it the other way when I was saying all that. What I understand, like Evo Toro, he was going calls earlier in the day, and he was like, "Come on, head out for the afternoon. I'll check back later." I got it. He didn't even have to watch it. It's the only thing that makes sense. Like, the coconuts have a
My dad asked me to look at his portfolio to make sure he is good for the market crash. Turns out he has 1,000 shares of DRV.
Nice. That'll work.
Yep, double down on calls for next week.
Okay. Thanks for 7 Evo Toro and that burner. Yeah. Your dad got DRV, he's all good. But of course, it's looking there'll be another swing. So we got our 9 candle coming in, and I don't think it's completely done yet, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I took a shot at some spy calls for next week too. I'm riding the coconut bounce too. It's getting stupid to play this stupid. Cause I was thinking about it after we took our profits, I'm going, what's the play for next week? Like, are we gonna open red? We got the bears had their go all day. There's coconuts probably gonna fucking FOMO in. And dollars topped out enough for now. At least get some sort of green opening there, spike up. We can close this gap. Dana says not a spice fuck. It pretty much is, like it's gonna be temporary, but like it's looking to open green on Monday. I'm not kidding. End of day pump as always in that last minute. Dude, I'd love to see it. I would love to see that because that's what we wanted all day, but like that didn't happen all day. Look at Apple breaking out. Just gonna have a bit of a rally back up to resistance. Just going back to the bigger picture now. Apple puts again from up there at the red line. So I can just open green Monday and drop down hardest next week again. Yeah, JBake's just a lot. It's just a small position, guys. I was just with some of Apple problem, or the puts problem. I'm not going crazy with it. I'm just playing for Monday, basically. I'm just gonna see if we get that green opening and then cash out again. Because it was feeling sketchy for puts for next week, wasn't it? And I would love to see the end of day drop for you guys in longer term ones right now. To just get it all over with. Like, that's what we wanted all day, but I feel like the coconuts are gonna be fumbling in here, and dollar can cool off. Like, chances are dollar's gonna cool off from here for a bit. I'm not convinced we're gonna go to 114 on Monday. I'm not convinced that just yet. It's more likely we get a bit of a dollar dip going into next week. Test back down those levels we were like earlier in the week, 112. Maybe even fucking 110. Like, that's the thing. We might come all the way down to like 110 again on dollar. Remember how important 110, 111 was earlier in the week? That was only a few days ago at 111. Like, we're way the fuck up 113. It just went way up, dog. It looks ready to cool off next week. Then we can continue to test back down there. Then it continues. Gets like 115. I'm not convinced that's gonna keep going straight up next week on dollar. I don't think so. So that's why I'm telling people be careful, and it's like my brain. 2 hours of that brain would look. My big brain was thinking so much. I think goose. Let's go. Hold on, week. That was awesome. A really exciting, like fun, tradable, profitable week for the Pirates after a long few months. The market crash working in our favor now. Haha, that's awesome, Lois. She made $1,000 spy puts today. Yeah, we kicked some ass on that. So don't be greedy, and let's hold some of those profits that we got from that crazy week, like we did it, and we can get a better play somewhere else next week or end of month. Let's wait for a dollar to test 110 again. Like, how could it not, right? Okay, check it out on the longer term on that. I know what this is gonna look like on our other chart, showing it all. With the Kraken, but I'll clear that up. So imagine we're starting the week under 113. Like, we're already just starting the day on Monday and it was already down here, like 112 area. It's gonna look way different. It'll look topped out, dollar dip. Breaking that coconut trend line. It's ready to cool off. It is. I don't care what you might be thinking about it. It is ready to cool off a bit. This was a bit my target on dollar today. You know what my fucking target on dollar was today? This morning when I was thinking about it in the shower before we started sailing? 112.5. And it was already starting that day there, and we kept going over 113. 113 was a stretch to even hit way the fuck up there. Like from yesterday down at 111 area, whatever, like I was shooting for 112.5 at most, really. Like right here where we started the day, and it kept going. Nice, Martin. There you go, bro. It is awesome. We're locking in profits. Martin says sold Apple or Tesla puts from the beginning of the month. Super waited patiently. Yeah, that's a smart fucking thing to do when a Kraken attacking. The whole time I said, don't fuck with the dollar. We did it anyway. We fought the Kraken. We won. I'll just get his treasure back to town. You hit a win, then you move on to the next one. For the next one. We don't crush Apple puts today and then jump back in Apple puts tomorrow. Like, crush Apple puts, then we play something else that's ready for it. Spy calls on Monday. I guess Captain was right again. Call up fucking Britney Spears. Oops, I did it again. We're getting the power half hour. As stupid as it is. As bearish as this thing is, as much sense as it makes to keep going down on Monday, it's gonna end green and open green Monday. Dumb money's controlling it right now. Because they got hit back here. Now they're having their chance. It's gonna be short-lived, but they still got some power in them. They still got some money left to FOMO with. So, okay, no, honestly, you know, it's like as bearish as it's been all day, and thinking about it on the intermission, is it gonna shift or not, or when's the next big move? How's it gonna open and everything? What I concluded was I want to go bearish again for right into next week, and it's probably gonna get that end of day drop, and it's gonna get hammered next week because we're not at the target yet. But then, because I was thinking that's what's logical, I decided that's what's not gonna happen. Because that's what should happen, it's not happening. This thing should get fucking hammered on Monday. It's probably not gonna. So I changed my mind, like the coin flip. And I decided coconuts are gonna have a bull trap. Oh yeah, okay, true T-flowers. If it closes right here, it still looks bearish like that. I agree. It's still... Well, here's the thing, guys. You know where this is going. Do I really have to remind you? Oh, get the plank ready. You know where this is fucking going. I was gonna have a coconut magic number. It's going to fucking magic number. 777. Of course it is. We're too close not to. It's right there. That's the resistance. That's the perfect resistance. It's gonna hit the magic number at resistance and get hammered from there. Boom. Window. That's all right in front of us. The map's right there all the time. Watch, it's gonna end green as fuck. Open green next week. Dollar will be dipping. We hit magic number. Then we get another go for the bears at the resistance. Today was profits already. Like we had our shot. It'll be interesting if it closes right there. We have 15 minutes. But what about dollar? It's under 113. We're already hitting 112 levels, dollar. Dollar's dipping. Yo. Watch out, coconuts. Pirates got us straight on the lock. How much progress can it make in the last 10 minutes? Getting spicy already for next week. Hasn't stopped all day. Like we paused up, going kind of flat at 150, but the craziness hasn't really stopped. So a crazy turnaround last end of day, 30 minutes, hour right there, power hour. Over 150 on Apple. Like what the fuck? After all that, guys, Apple's closing over 150. Think about it. Oh, we had our profits here from 157 earlier in the week. Is it really gonna get the hammer first thing like that? More profits? That's probably too many times. Like it hit there, it hit there. Is it really gonna be that perfect? Fuck around. I feel like stuff's gonna fuck around. You know how it goes. There's gonna be some mind games next week. There's gonna be some fuckery. It's like stuff still looks incredibly bearish, but I'm sure there'll be a bounce at some point along the way. And it could be that that bounce is starting right now, just kicking off first thing on the opening with Dollar Dippy. It's Berlin. Christmas season is ahead of us, and Halloween. Halloween's gonna be crazy. Tesla's right here right now. Halloween is gonna be up here, down here at a critical level. Is Tesla gonna keep dropping straight down on Mondays from here? Like that. Certainly possible. It almost looks too good to be true though, right? It almost looks too simple, too easy. We're probably gonna get some mind games Monday. Fucks around a bit more before it drops further down. Could go, it's up in the air on the close still. Oh no, right at 130. Let's get something more conclusive. 10 minutes. Jeez. What did I do? That was fun. If this closes under 113, that's signal. S&P, if it finishes over that box, that's a signal. How are the bear charts looking? They're kind of topping out for now. It's just starting to hit the resistance on them, so, and our 9 candle. Good idea, maybe lock in some profits. Those bear charts too, those inverse charts. If you're up good, get them on a dip again or something. For now, I think we're gonna come back and retest these levels down here on the bear charts. The chances of that springing up first thing in the morning are kind of slim. With this kind of a turnaround at the end, we kind of reached the limit on it for now. Testing this resistance, and then come back, test these supports down here, like under 25 next week, and then take it from there one more time. So be ready for those chops there too next week, and then when it's getting more topped out, that'll be the real move. Like one more spike up, and then we can even go bearish on this. Just getting up there. We got our deeper extension. We certainly did. Things are cooling off. It comes back down, hits these supports, and then we get another go at it. So overall, like this, and then when we're getting really topped out on it, we'll be looking for that signal to actually go bearish on that, bearish on the bear play, if you catch my drift. Yeah, it's been some fun trades this week, because they've been working out. Great job there. I'm impressed with the crew. If you can make it happen through some of this stuff, you're like, oh, you're in the clear. Like, just wait till the markets get easy again. This is the most extreme dollar's ever been, and we're doing it, we're calling it play by play. Like, you're making fast moves, some pro moves, everyone, on those fucking inverse charts and puts, and even just every day seeing someone be like, oh, I scooped up 500 more grayscale Litecoin. It's like, oh yeah, awesome. Pillaged like 1,000 Mullen. I was hearing that a lot throughout the week. People also flying cans that way down there and just flying under the radar. Let's fucking go. Oh, the pirate's on the screen, right. After we disconnected, I restarted the computer. I was gonna have pirates back on the battlefield for the end. Oh no, Hedgie attack! Of course, an update. Yeah, that's worth it. We need to do a Royal Rumble. It's funny every day in the morning. My friends from like 10 years ago see me go online and start putting the pirates up. They're probably like, what the fuck is he doing every morning? What game is Denwo playing every morning? 5 minutes. I was giving me air to actually attack. I'm YOLOing it. I risk of crashing the stream to keep the hype. $113 on the line. S&Ps are gonna get the last minute hammer for the Bears. It's up to there for red. Like I still could completely get smacked down the last minute and then open red.
Chocolates for the captain. Thanks for a hot sale.
Okay. That's sweet. I'm gonna treat myself this weekend. We got a big dinner. What we feasted today? Above or under the box. 3 minutes. That's the only sign we have on. Like, that's kind of the resistance line from earlier. So finishing up there, like wiped out the dip, the red. Finishing down here, bears still have control there. Of course it's going down to the wire the last 2 minutes. Okay, finishing here, we gotta assume the most logical case of like dollars cool off. Under 113 at the moment, at the very end. Like it's not going up. It's not hitting 114 right now. It's cooling off. I think it's going FOMO rally. I think we're getting coconut bounce. And the day green candle. I'm not seeing any drop. Opening green. By the looks of it. We have to assume that.
Closing bell 7s. Happy Friday, Captain Crew. 777.
Good stuff. Just to have you here. I know it's not firing any cannons today on this crazy shit, but I'm sure he's enjoying it. Enjoying watching it. 1 minute. There you go. Oh my god. That was crazy, guys. What the fuck? Like it's a clutch finish, but with the calling the coconut down. With taking our profits earlier. I was finishing green. I knew it was gonna do something stupid. Oh man. There it goes. Green on Monday. No end of day drop. Crazy. Dollars topped out. For now. Wow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green as fuck at the very end. That was wild. That was entertaining for me just to watch it happen. and fun to trade because it's all baked into the charts right now. Like, the reason it's really doing this is because the bears crushed it all week and all month. And there's some dumb money out there who just still isn't getting with the program of the market crash. They still don't get how ugly it is. So they always think it's gonna bounce. And they're thinking, oh, it's super red this week, chances are it's gonna bounce next week, and it's pretty much gonna do exactly that, but only to trick those newer traders once more. Because it'll be short-lived. Like, we'll just hit magic number, it'll probably have a overextension there. Might even hit like 400 next week. Spike way up, but then battle of 400, get another major crash from there, the real resistance. Look, okay, this is the real resistance. This is where it's trying to go. Back up there. And it's probably gonna do it. Before we break down again. Look at these last moves right here. That's, well, really just that one. That's about as far of a drop as we were looking for on that. Same kind of thing. So a projection would be pretty close to that. Oh, it's pretty likely, but how fat, like, it could happen faster because we're further in the process now. So next week will be pretty wild. Spikes way up. Nice, easy, bro. Good job. Day traders were quick on that. Like, we got people going bullish now already, riding it up already for next week. So that'll be interesting. See if we can hit a big spike up on that. Go for the next resistance, but that's where it is, not down here. Quite a ways up, like up around 400. So I think we're gonna have a pretty sufficient coconut up there. What's my Steam name? Take a guess. It's Denwo. That's where that name comes from. That's how long I've been. That's how long I've been Denwo. My name's been Denwo as long as I've been in the market, spent online playing video games for over a decade. Yeah, Crew's excited to play some video games over that weekend. Let's talk about it on Discord. Sounds fun. We will do that. Yeah, let's play some fucking Valheim, build a fortress. Alright. We're all doing okay. I'll decompress, lower the sails. Sheesh. That was fucking long. Up to the very end, and dollars right at 113. So it's like it hasn't exactly changed yet. It's just showing signals that we're gonna be turning around there for now, cooling off on that because it's so far up over the past like 2 days. And just think back to when we were at like 111 was really important back here when the Kraken was above it. Remember I drew the Kraken above all that? And now we're in the Kraken's arm, like in the tentacle. That's a bit up, far up there. A reasonable to think that's gonna be having some dippage next week. Potentially even starting the day like that. A shot queen. Without the Kraken. Without deleting the Kraken. And Mullen can spike up good too, the short squeezers. Oh, TTOO is going again. I was top of the list spiking up yesterday too. I'll keep it for the summer. Oh, here we go. We got that deeper extension, didn't we? Kraken was on that yellow line, so check that out. That's what's important about it right now. That's like a blow off top a bit of a huge spike through it. Looking like it'll come back and touch that yellow line again before anything else. Before dollar does anything else goes up any further, or before it were to dip any more substantially, like I just gotta touch that yellow line again. Cause it's a breakout retest, huge fucking breakout. Like this is the 110 breakout essentially. Here's the pancake earlier area from last week. And now it's way up there. Any other chart, like we'd be taking profits. So that's true on any trade that you were able to pull this week. It's so extreme right now as well, like that shot up right there is literally like a diagonal line straight up. Well, straight up diagonal, if that makes sense. I doubt that's gonna hold much longer in that trend like that. Nothing really stays that kind of a trend very long. But that's how crazy this level is, this area, that's like we're not really done up here. And we're likely, like all of this means it's almost certainly gonna be going up to like 120 eventually over time, like toward the end of the year, and that's what brings the market crash, the end of year market crash, because dollar goes way the fuck up there. But at the moment it's just time to cool off a bit there. after that huge rally. So that's the most reasonable likely thing at the moment. Like, that's why we got that end of day coconut bounce on S&P. Because the chances are, like, it's not gonna keep going up like that right yet. And we're gonna play some more mind games, come down, and like the bulls will have a victory right there, but that'll be short-lived too, and then be ready for another pivot next week again. And with how topped out it is, it's wild because we'll be starting the week like full speed. If this really is topped out 113 now, it moves a lot. It covers huge distances overnight lately. I catch up with a chat, but it's covering vast distances overnight. Like, a lot of this happened last night on it, going up. If it really is topped out here, we're gonna start dipping on it more next week. Like, we're probably gonna start the day Monday with this being way down, and it'll be like a 1% red day on dollars starting the week like that with a huge smash down. Yeah, okay. It sounds like we're all on the same page that like dollar's not done yet. Kraken's still attacking, and it is looking to go further up. But it's not, it's not that consistent. Like, think of all those chops we had last week. It's not that consistent. Do the same thing every fucking day. Think back to this stuff. Every time it was reasonably topped out, it went down. Every time it was reasonably bottomed out, it went up. It was choppy but predictable and consistent. This move is not gonna last. Like, that's not normal. A few days, okay, like we got craziness for a few days, but it's not gonna keep doing that for like 2 weeks straight. There's gonna be some mind games, there's gonna be some chops and some more pivot points. So that's the point. Is a breakout and it went beyond the expectations. My target on was 112.5 area. Anything over that was gonna be blow off top, and that's what it is. Could already topped out there, dollar dip right there. Well, way up further. And it's a breakout from here. So breakout, retest, just like anything else would. This is our new dollar chart for next week. So it's totally normal now to go back, test those lows, as it's still working its way up there, but hitting the support first for a bounce down there. So that's gonna confuse people next week when it when things go green and then they turn around again and drop down again after. We're not done with this area by any means, but it is looking to cool off, touch back down here to the breakout spot. Think about like American Cloud or something. Just breakout retest. When they go too far too fast, they come back to the bottoms. So it looks like we'll be starting the week with like down at this area, likely just hitting the ocean with full wind. High speed warp drive. So I'm talking about it all now, preparing now, because if this really is it, then like by the time we begin the day, it's already gonna be down here. Like we're gonna pull this chart up Monday morning and it'll fucking be sitting down here with a giant red candle on dollar. And it'll be pretty obvious, so that's where it looks to be headed. Where it happens that quick again, it's like by the time it's happening, can't even make the move. And people out there in the markets who took a shot on that, like that makes sense here to cool off, hit the breakout spot down. That's why we got a bit of a FOMO rally at the very end of the day on S&P and stuff, and even AMC there. Because there are some traders taking a shot at that because it kind of makes sense. Even though things are bearish as fuck. It's just always too crazy right now. So dollar dip next week. SPY coconut bounce. Hit these resistance again and then another turn. And end of week they can be finishing Friday super red again. Just because they go green a few days there doesn't mean it's gonna go much further than that. Here's zoomed out. Target's down here where it's heading. We covered some distance, but it's cooling off. Come test this resistance again, magic number. That and that. Get the real breakout of that resistance down there. Kind of like a falling wedge. Anything else crazy on the close? There's our 9 count on the candle bars. Those don't look complete either. This is on DRV even, the 9 count. That tells us be careful cooling off. To going bearish on Monday right there is like shooting for a number 10 candle and it never goes to 10. Like 9s, where there's really tons of bearish pressure. So it looks like the inverse charts come back down to these low points, bounce again from there. But we're not done with this whole like deeper extension action. Any last questions for next week? I'll look for if we missed anything on the closes. Wrap it up so we all can go relax. We'll be surfing the waves. Oh yeah, GovX. We were looking at that level yesterday. It went down, then up. It did both. So overall, we're getting bullish, right? GovX still for more continuation squeeze action. Off the Fibonacci. Oh, DJ Nate James' birthday? Do you mean to type Danish? I wanna see DJ in the chat right now. See her? She here earlier. Happy birthday, whoever it is. Happy birthday, Market Crush. Oh, we might need to get a bottle soon. If we keep crushing it like this, dollar's still going under 113. So it's already kind of pointing out. Let's have a Royal Rumble. Otherwise, the squeezers are the only ones that really ran up good till the very end, and then things started going up more. Like Mullen's almost even a squeeze now. And fuck yeah, people who took profits, American Cloud, that was smart. That's the right choice. We really hit our target there, our initial. It's like, still has capability, hitting bigger, better targets from here, but like things are kind of cooling off. All those moves from this week are shifting a bit, so we gotta be careful next week. And wait for those next signals to come in. We'll know what to expect. It's all pretty locked into the charts. I'm sure lots of things spiked up at the very end there. It was pretty clear AMC GME is part of it. They're still pretty fucking low. Still right around magic number, but it didn't get the end of day drop. So it's still kind of up in the air for the opening there, but like it wasn't conclusive for the bears. It doesn't look like it's necessarily gonna drop straight down first thing on Monday. So it really kind of was a turnaround on those things for now. Getting through that downtrend. Keep going up a bit next week and then drop back. Yeah, GameStop too. That one looks better. You know, look at those candles. It's like a perfect round bottom. We're all about those rounded bottoms, aren't we? That's how GameStop finished the day. Pretty conclusive there. Like that's as strong as it could look for a green opening. It's basically the opposite of when we broke down. We had the end of day drop and then it ended down there and opened way down. Started turning up, it opens way up, spikes up. I suspect it'll be short-lived. We're talking about like 100% targets on them from here before hitting that top again. Well, it's not let's just jump to conclusions yet. Since we know the S&P still got a lot of resistance, can go lower, we're still cracking there. Coconut bounce for now. I don't know how far they're gonna be able to get, because it's gonna be short-lived. Will it be able to spike all the way up to the real resistance? Perhaps. I wouldn't be surprised. And that's what's tricky about it, because all of a sudden GameStop doubles and people are going, holy shit, short squeeze on GameStop, but that's hitting resistance and we're ready for that next smackdown. So that's gonna be the next trade. Really, is gonna be like when things hit more critical levels. This is still kind of middle no man's land. It's gonna have some up and some down. What's Bitcoin looking like? Well, under 19K. Which was an important number, but like close enough that you check it later tonight, it can be over 20K. So that's a signal right there for you guys going into next week. If Bitcoin's over 20K tonight or Monday, and stuff's green, going bullish on the opening, because it's going to be going up over $21 where it dipped down more from there. And that's gonna close real soon, by the way. That dollar chart is another signal, like above under 113, but for now we can assume it's gonna stay under 113 when it opens back up. Not very likely that kind of a finish to open going to 114, like more likely will open down on dollar 12%. So it's an early indicator with Bitcoin, like if Bitcoin's going up over 20 and this is just going down a bit further, this is what it looks like at the power hour action. So pretty much everything is spiking up at the very end there for some more waves next week. Most of the squeeze charts are green, and that's what's gonna be epic about those next week. Even Ruby, if we get this dollar dippy next week, are these squeezes gonna be blasting off? Therapeutics still. Oh, bright green hanging in there. Pretty low. It's prime for bounce action, bright green. Jules getting close to that target. Yeah, finish strong as fuck. Almost hit the alert. We can hit that just next week. Our squeezes are hot. Our Delix is more mid-turn. That should be okay. Narobo, perfect bounce spot. Narobo. Okay, power bridge too. Of course, last minute spike on power. Super wellness more midterm. Squeezes are in great shape. Let's have a battle royale, call it a day, go push on video games. That was a nice finish on everything. They appreciate that. Even if it wasn't exactly what we were shooting for on the morning, like that end of day dip again, we were able to adjust. We weren't being greedy. We were able to be prepared for more fuckery next week. Battle Royale! Whoa, whoa, Captain and Martin are duking it out. It already started. I'm going for that health back. Health back in the middle. Don't fit. Don't you dare. Alright, we get out of here. Stack. We're all trading, but look how tight it is. What? There's never been such an even fight. Oh, someone got popped. Who was that? You wanna go for you a bit? Let's get a Kurt. Health pack's on the left. Oh, I see what you're doing. They're teaming up. Oh my god. The crew's strong today. They're getting all the bonus. Captain going down. I can't beat the crew. I swear. You deserved it for being here all day. The crew teamed up on me. Captain only as strong as his team. Great stuff. Thanks so much, all the cameras and support and the hype. Can't wait for next week. Party doesn't stop when the show's over. I'll see you on Discord. Have an awesome weekend and take care.